Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or a caregiver. We're making a fire-breathing dragon. To complete this craft, you will need a pair of scissors, a glue stick, a glue gun or glue dots, 1 toilet paper tube, 1 piece of construction paper, 2 pom-poms that are about 1 inch in diameter, 2 pom-poms that are about 3/8 of an inch in diameter, 2 googly eyes that are about 1/2 inch in diameter, and 3 scraps of tissue paper in red, yellow, and orange. Here's what you'll do. First, cut a piece of construction paper the exact length of your toilet paper tube and attach it to the toilet paper tube with the glue stick. Next, with an adult's help, make the dragon eyes by attaching the googly eyes in the middle of the larger pom-poms using a glue gun or glue dots. Attach these eyes to the end of the paper roll. Then, glue the 2 smaller pom-poms near the other end of the paper roll to make the dragon nose. For the fire, cut scraps of red, yellow, and orange tissue paper. Using the glue stick, attach the tissue paper strips on the inside of the toilet paper tube under the dragon nose. You don't need to glue all around the bottom. Now your dragon is ready to blow fire. Blow air through the roll to make the tissue paper blow. Ta-da! Here's the finished fire-breathing dragon. I hope you enjoy this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!